I'm going out to hang a door right now. Got about 4,000 for the door. The door costs 700 bucks. So going to do it right now. I'll see you when I get to the job. Got to get my coffee here. McDonald's. Nice day out today. Okay, I took down the old door, laying right here. We're gonna throw it on the truck in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and put a new door in here. It'll take me about an hour and a half, 2 hours. I'll be done. $4,000 later. We're stacked up. It's been about 45 minutes. And I just gotta put the spring up and the track up, hook the arm to the door, and I'm done. Got the track in here. We got the door. There's one side done. Over here in. The arms on the door. They got a broken part on here. So we're gonna tell the owner, and he's probably gonna have to get a new opener. And here's the door. Check that out. Perfect. Come over here. Then you can close it down. This is the type of door it is. You look all the way around, no gaps. All the way around, looks good. Door goes up. Oh, you can do it with that. Here's the door closing now. Beautiful. Hey, you got all good stuff in there now. And if you see here, we put the climate seal on the sides. Nice and tight all the way around. If you look up, you go down the door, go down here. The stuff is so tight, it even goes to the contour of the door. Look at that. If you can see that, this thing all goes in here. So that's the door there. The guy just paid me $5,000 in cash, which is right here. I don't need to count it all out to you, but it's right here. We ended up putting a new opener in for, I think it was like 900 bucks or 1,000 bucks. And the guy was super happy. So there you go, driving away from the job. And another fine job. Took about 3 hours, $5,000, the door plus the opener, so about 1,000 bucks in parts. Made 4,000 in 3 hours. There you go.